How can I make a drone on the 2nd of a month fly for 40 minutes? Today, the old watch enlarged the battery capacity of this bulge to make a double battery. This battery can fly for about 40 minutes, as long as you have an idle bulge or a useless battery in your hand. First, take the battery case apart and take it apart to see the internal structure of the battery. Now let's enjoy the battery expansion process together. Such a battery can fly for 40 minutes. Do you all like it?